Very good morning, students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our science period. Children, this session I am going to continue this chapter, that is chapter number 16, heredity and variation. Okay. So, can you remember last session what we discussed? We discussed about Mendel's monohybrid and dihybrid, isn't it, children? So, I hope you understood what is Mendel's dihybrid cross. So, can anyone say what is the phenotypic ratio of Mendel's dihybrid cross? Yes, 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, children. So, now I am going to teach genetic disorders. What is meant by genetic disorders? How it's occurring. Okay, and the next one is what are the examples of these genetic disorders. This all we will see one by one. Are you ready, children? See here, genetic disorders. What is the definition here? Diseases are disorders occurring due to abnormalities in chromosomes. Okay, so there are two reasons. That is, first one is abnormalities in chromosomes and mutations in genes. Okay, children, see here, abnormalities in chromosomes means, see here, that chromosomes where it is present inside the nucleus. Can you say where is nucleus? Very good, nucleus is present inside the cell. Then where is cell? Yes, our body is made up of cell. Okay, children. So if any abnormality is there in the shape or length or number of chromosome, so that is that diseases, that means the genetic disorders will occur. Next reason is what? Mutation in genes. So you know that is the DNA structure. Yes, here the gene is there. DNA is made up of genes. That is that segment of DNA that is called what? Genes. Okay, children. So here mutation means what? Alter. That is mutations in genes are called what? Genetic disorders. So can you say the two reasons? First one is abnormalities in chromosomes. Second one is mutation in genes. Okay, gene is what? Segment of DNA. So if any arrangement, if any that alternation is there, changes are there, that is called what? Mutation in genes. Okay, so mutation in genes that leads genetic disorder. Understood, children? Shall I go to next one now? See here, next one is chromosomal abnormalities include either, as I told, increase or decrease in numbers. So can you say how many chromosomes we are having in a cell? Yes, 46 chromosomes are 23 pairs of chromosomes. Okay. So chromosomal abnormalities include either increase or decrease in numbers. Okay, and deletion or translocation of any part of the chromosome. So you know that is the chromosomal structure. So see here, children, this is the chromosome structure. So here deletion or translocation of any part of the chromosome. Okay, that is chromosomal abnormalities, how it's happening, either increase or decrease in numbers or deletion or translocation of any part of the chromosomes. Next one is examples of physical disorders like cleft lip and yes, albinism. Okay, cleft lip, that I hope you might have seen that cleft lip people. Yes, children. So that is this side, that one division part is there, isn't it? So that is a cleft lip. Next one is what? Albinism. What is meant by albinism? That I will teach you later. Next one is what? Physiological disorders like sickle cell anemia and hemophilia. Understood, children? So physiological disorders means what here? See here, that example is sickle cell anemia. What is meant by sickle cell anemia? That also I will teach you later. Hemophilia means that is this affected. This is the genetic disorder and these people will have that. See here, children. So children, see here, those who have affected by this genetic disorder, that person, it will take lot of time to clot the blood. Okay, if any injury is there, continuously blood will come, that bleeding. Okay, children. So if that is, see here, that it will take lot of time to clot the blood. Okay, normally it is not a normal condition. Okay, so that is what? Hemophilia. Understood, children? Etc. Next one is, see here. Yes, human beings, as I told, have 46 chromosomes. That means 23 pairs of chromosomes. So our body is made up of many cells. Each and every cell is having what? 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs of chromosomes. So just you have to imagine how many numbers of chromosomes we are having in our body. Okay, so there is a great variation in the size and the shape of these chromosomal pairs. So already I told the chromosome that is a pair. So how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs. Okay children, so there is a great variation in the size and shape of these chromosomal pairs. Some pair will, yes, it is that lengthy size, and some pair of chromosome is short. Okay, so these pairs have been numbered. So here how many pair I told? 23. So these pairs have been numbered. See here children, yes, these are the, yes, human karyotype. Okay, human karyotype, that is what, see here, this is one, here number also it is there. So total what I told, 23 pairs of chromosome, isn't it? So 22 chromosome, and this is this one last, see here children, this pair is what, 23rd chromosome, this one or this one. Okay, that is what, 6 chromosomes, that I will teach you now. See here how many total, 23 pairs of chromosomes. So 22 pair, and the last one is what, that is, yes, that is what, 23rd, that is which chromosome, 6 chromosomes. Okay children, see here, out of 23 pairs, 22 pairs are autosomes. Okay, and one pair is of what, 6 chromosomes, that is otherwise known as allosomes. So what is meant by autosome, what is meant by allosomes, already I taught. Yes, so out of 23 pairs, 22 pairs are what, autosomes, and remaining one pair, that is what, 6 chromosomes, it is otherwise called as allosomes. Understood children? So chromosomes in women are represented of 44 plus XX. Okay, that is what, this is what, 6 chromosome. Okay, and in men, this 43, this, say here children, 44, that is what, autosomes, and this is what, so children, see here, this one is 44 plus XX, that is what, chromosomes in women. Okay, and chromosome in men, that is 44 plus XY. So here, this one and this one, this is what, 44 and 44, that means 22 pairs, that is autosomes. Okay, and this XX, and the here men XY. So this is what, allosomes are 6 chromosomes. Okay children, so in women, what is that, chromosome 44 plus XX, in men 44 plus XY. Understood children? Shall we go to next now? Next one is, see here, so is it right, here one question is there, you have to give me the answer. Is it right to avoid living with a person suffering from a genetic disorder? What is your answer? How to discuss children? So children, what you are thinking? See here, one second, I'll repeat the question here. Is it right to avoid living with a person suffering from a genetic disorder? So see here, genetic disorder, it is not a communicable diseases. Okay, so if that communicable disease, so we have to avoid living with that person. But this is genetic disorder, it is what? It is not a communicable disease. So we can live with that person. Okay, so this is not a communicable disease and does not spread to anyone who comes in contact with a person who has genetic disorder. Understood children? Hence there is no need to stay away from a person with genetic disorder. So through that, by contact, it will not transfer from one person to another person. Okay, so this disease transmits through reproduction only. Understood children? Yes, shall I go to next now? So next one is, we will see about genetic disorders. It is classified into 4 types. That is, first one is what, hereditary disorders, that is genetic disorders. First one is what, chromosomal disorders, monogenic disorders, polygenic disorders, and mitochondrial disorders. Okay, there are 4 types. These all types we will study now. Okay, first one is what, chromosomal disorders, monogenic disorders, polygenic disorders, and mitochondrial disorders. Can you say once again with me? Chromosomal disorders, monogenic disorders, polygenic disorders and mitochondrial disorders. We will see one by one. Okay children, first one is what? Chromosomal disorders. So children, see here, disorders due to chromosomal abnormalities. First one is what? What might be the reason? Numerical changes. Okay, it may be increase or decrease the number of chromosomes. Next one is what? Offsprings, that is generations. Okay, are not sterile if there is change in the number of autosome is less. Okay, change in the autosomes. How many autosomes we are having in a cell? Yes, 22 pair. That means 44. Okay children, so offsprings are not sterile if there is change in the number of autosomes is less. Physical or mental abnormalities may happen. Okay, and the lifespan is shortened. Understood children? So disorders due to chromosomal abnormalities, why it's happening, what will happen, that also I told. Shall I go to next one now? Next one is, see here, some examples are there in your textbook, that is disorders due to chromosomal abnormalities. First one is what here children, there are 3 diseases are there in your book. See here children, there are 3 diseases are given in your textbook, that is Down syndrome, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, can you say once again? Down syndrome, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Here first one, today I will teach you about what is meant by Down syndrome, how it's happening, how it is occurring. Okay, first one is what I told, Down syndrome. See here, 46 plus 1. 46 plus 1, that is trisomy of 21st chromosome. Tri means what? 3 chromosomes are there. Okay, see here children, here a disorder caused by chromosomal abnormality is called Down syndrome. Okay, see here first point what I told, a disorder caused by chromosomal abnormality, that is called what? Down syndrome. And the next one is what? Described at first as a chromosomal disorder in human beings. This is characterized by the presence of the 47 chromosomes. Okay, instead of 46 chromosomes, that Down syndrome people are having 47 chromosomes. Where is that first, that one extra chromosomes, that is that 21st pair is there, no? So in that 21st pair chromosome, instead of 2 chromosomes, here 3 chromosomes are there. Okay, that's why normally 46, but these people are having what? 46 plus 1, that means 47 chromosomes. Okay children, shall we go to next one now? Next one is, see here, this is also called the trisomy of the 21st chromosomes. That means instead of 2 chromosomes, here how many chromosomes are there? 3. Infants suffering from this disorder have 1 extra chromosome along with the 21st pair in every cell of their body. See here, so every cell, it contains 23 pairs of chromosomes. So those who are affected by this Down syndrome, that people, each and every cell, they are having 47 chromosomes instead of 46 chromosome. Where is the 1 extra chromosome? Yes, 21st pair. That extra chromosomes, where it is present, 21st pair of chromosome. Okay, so they have 47 chromosomes instead of 46. Understood now? Next one is what? See here. So children with Down syndrome are mentally retarded and have a short lifespan. So that child is what? They are mentally retarded. Okay, and they have short lifespan. One of the most prominent characteristic is the mental retardation. Understood children? So that those children will see here children will be affected by this Down syndrome. So that is one of the main prominent characteristic, that is what? Mental retardation. Understood now? And see here, next one is, see here children, this is the symptom. These are the symptoms of Down syndrome. Other symptoms include the short wide neck, okay, and short fingers, flat nose, short height, scanty hair. That means that hair is very thin. Okay, when comparing that normal person, this Down syndrome people has this scanty hair. Okay, and horizontal crease, that is the line on the palm. ridges like ridge. So on the palm and so on. So these are the symptoms of Down syndrome. Okay. So their life expectancy is what? About 16 to 20 years. Understood, children? So today what we discussed about what is meant by genetic disorders, how it is occurring. Next one is what? Yes, chromosomal abnormalities. Okay, what is meant by chromosomal abnormalities, and which that here 3 examples are there. Isn't it, children? First one is Down syndrome. So what is meant by Down syndrome? How it is happening? How it is occurring? Okay, so can you say Down syndrome people, instead of 46 chromosome, they are having 47 chromosome. So that one extra chromosome where it is, yes, along with the 21st pair. Okay, children. So that is trisomy of 21st pair. 21st chromosome, pair of chromosome. And what are the symptoms of this Down syndrome? And that affected people, this Down syndrome affected people are having what? What is the main thing? That is a mental retardation. Okay, their lifespan is what? 16 to 20 years. Understood, children? Yes. So remaining thing, that next class I will teach you. Understood, children? Shall I go? Yes. Thank you, children. Saira.